Okay, good evening everyone. Happy Vedaoyu Niih Okay, I memorized that thanks to my friends. Okay, so this first song I'm gonna sing, I'm gonna dedicate this song to the gym guys. Love on the brain. Yeah. Trial, okay. And you got me like, ooh, what you want from me? And I try to buy your pretty heart, but the price too high. Baby, you got me like, oh, you love when I fall apart, so you can pull me together and throw me against the wall. Baby, you got me like, don't you stop loving me, don't quit loving me, just start loving me. And baby, I'm just fine with fire, just to get close to you. Can we burn some, baby? And I run for miles just to get a taste. Must be love on the brain that's got me feeling this way. It beats me black and blue, but it did me so good, and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain, yeah. And it's me feeling this way. No matter what I do, I'm not good without you, and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain. Baby, keep loving me. That's all you need to do it. Love me. All you need to do is love me. And call me like, I'm tired of being playing like a violin. What do I gotta do to get in? You're a motherfucker. Baby, like, don't you stop loving me, don't quit loving me, just stop loving me. Baby, I'm just fighting with fire, just to get close. Baby, and I run for mine, just to get a taste. Must be love on the brain, and it's got me feeling this way. It fits me black and blue, but it did me so good, and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain, and it's got me feeling this way. No matter what I do, I'm not good without you, and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain. Okay, so this next song, I've learned this song just recently. Yeah. Okay, it's a song by Adele. If you're a fan of James Bond, you might know this song. This song is called Skyfall. Might make some mistakes. Yeah. Since I've learned this recently only, if I make any mistakes, it's your fault. not over. The most interesting part of the song is missing. Okay, so let's go to the next song. It's one of my personal favorite. I sing this everywhere I go. It's a song called Cry Baby. The last track. Thank you. Could you please check? I think there's some technical issue. Give me a minute. Hello, Chick. I love myself too, thank you. From the top, yeah. From the start. Yeah. Okay, you ready for this? Let's go. Come back home. I know she told the liars. Oh, honey, I know she told you that she loved you much more than I do. But all I know is that she left you, and I swear that you just don't know why. But you know, I'll always be around. So if you ever want me, come on, hit cry, baby. Cry, baby. Cry, baby. Oh, honey, won't come back home. Don't you know? Ain't nobody ever gonna love you the way I tried. And who'll take all your pain on your heartache too? And if you need me, you know that I'll always be around. If you ever want me, come on, hit cry, baby. Cry, baby. Okay, I've got one last track, and the next song I want to dedicate the song to you all. The song is called "Don't Stop Believing." Oh, so good. Track number 3. Yeah. It's been played a lot before as an instrumental break.